Hey there, welcome back to the Happy Place Diaries. I am Jerry.
And I'm Teresa.
Hey, and in this video we are going to talk about some of our favorite kitchen gadgets. You're going to want to see all of these, so stick around.
What it's called.
So when we're out in our RV, we really like to do a lot of cooking in the kitchen. I mean, that's what it's here for. Unless we find a really good restaurant in town or something like that. But by and large, we do breakfast and dinners. And if we're out, we'll pick up a lunch somewhere. But we do a lot of cooking in the RV. So we were sitting here out at the campground and thought about talking about some of our favorite kitchen gadgets. So no particular order. And I don't know that we're going to do a countdown or whatever. We're just going to do as many as we have that we want to talk about. So what's your first one?
My first one is, and I don't really know what it's called. I forget what it's called, but
It says it right on it. Nope.
nope. It doesn't.
Pampered Chef.
This is from Pampered Chef, and it breaks the ground beef up when you're making, or ground sausage or whatever, makes it into tiny little pieces, and I absolutely love it. I have one for the trailer and I have one at home.
And you could also use it for mashed potatoes.
Yeah, you could. It's
I don't know. Okay, what's next? So one of my favorite gadgets in the kitchen is the air fryer. And we've started taking that with us on outings. And so it's so nice because you don't dirty up a whole bunch of dishes. That is super easy to clean. Tonight we did tri-tip steaks and we did potatoes. Let's turn the light on. People can see that.
oh yeah.
Potatoes and the tri-tip steaks over there. And not in the air fryer, but there's a salad. So the air fryer would be that one gadget that I really love in the kitchen.
Okay, so another gadget that I like is from Pampered Chef, and it is a little measuring cup, and it has tablespoons, teaspoons, fluid ounces, especially if you're making drinks. You don't need a shot glass, you can use this. So tablespoon, teaspoon, milliliters. You can do liquids or you can do solids. Dry. Yeah, solids.
Yeah.
So that I absolutely love, because then I don't have to have all the little teaspoons and tablespoons. I've got it all right here. Okay, so another gadget that we have, it's a knife, but it also has a little cutting board on it. So it's got a little safety thing. So you just put the carrot or celery or even the meat. Jerry was cutting up the meat last night, and I don't know what else to say about it. It's self-explanatory. It's very sharp. Cuts carrots, cucumbers, whatever you need to cut up. You could cut it up in the bowl thing that we bought.
Yep. A lot less cleaning to do.
Yeah.
All right.
Amazon.
So whatever we can link, we will put links in the description below. The stuff from Pampered Chef, I think you just need to go through Pampered Chef. But if we can find links to it, we will drop it down below. And while you're waiting in anticipation for our next kitchen gadget, yeah, now would be a really good time to hit that little subscribe button. And remember to share the video with a friend. Now would be a really good time. All right, you done? You hit it? Okay, next item.
Okay, so the next one we just recently found, and I'm going to look at my phone to give you the correct name because I found it on Amazon. It is the 3-in-1 multifunction storage basket, chopping and slicing board, and it's very cool. And it's a drain. It has a drain in it too. So here it is. So you can obviously put it in the sink and wash off your vegetables. And then this little device right here, just push it up and it drains. It'll pick up all the fruit and vegetables or whatever you're cutting up, it'll pick up the extra things, so then you can just wipe it off. Then when you're done rinsing off your vegetables, then you've got your cutting board. You just cut it. It's very, very cool.
Yeah, it's really nice because then you don't get all those potato peels or
Cucumber peels
the seeds
broccoli.
and all that stuff doesn't go down in your gray tank. So that's a definite plus. And now we're going to give you a gray tank pro tip. So we keep a bag of the Cascade Platinum, whatever it's, Dawn. It's the dishwasher pods. And dissolve one of those in your sink, because what is it designed to do? It's designed to fight grease and all that grime. So what we like to do is drop one of those, just like you would do something in your black tank. We drop one of those in our gray tank, especially the kitchen one. And that way it will start fighting the grease and grime. And it's really good to do it and let your gray tank fill up. And that way you're getting a nice clean gray tank. And it seems to have worked for us. I drop one in typically before we leave the house. In this case, we needed some and we just picked up another bag. So drop one of those, let the little packet dissolve. Now you're fighting all that grease and grime that's down in your gray tank. Just a pro tip. Free of charge. Hit the little subscribe button. Okay.
Thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed all the gadgets that we like. And if you want to tell us what your favorite gadget is, put it in the comments below.
Yeah, we're really curious because you know us, we're always upgrading and finding those nifty little things that we absolutely need to have in our RV. And since we spend a good time in our galley area, anything that you use in your galley, let us know. Hey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found any value in this video.
Share it with a friend.
Yep. And what else?
Hit that subscribe button.
That's
if
right.
you haven't already.
And we will see you
in the next video.
That's right.
And a happy life.
We just can't get the ending right. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Happy.
Remember, a happy life
starts in a happy place. One day, we will, you know what? We will get it right when we reach 1,000.
Ooh, we've got 11 to go.
All right, let's go.
Thanks for... God bless America. Hey, well, I hope you liked our topic of fidgets for the...
Fidgets?
Okay.
Gadgets.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our gadgets that we... Okay, never mind.
Yeah, you were doing fine.
Hey, thanks.
And 3, 2, 1, pause.